Hello viewers, this is Dr. Kavita from SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the mechanics of solids course. So before getting into the course, we should know that what is the mechanics of solids and why we are studying this. So here, this is very essential subject for civil engineering. And we are using many materials, different types of material in the field. So therefore you should understand that behavior of the material, each material what we are using in the construction. And also we have to design the structures very safely, and that structures should be durable. That is, a lifetime should be more. So therefore to get this we have to understand about the basics of the mechanics of solids. So why the civil engineer should know the behavior of the material? The first one, to build the safe structures and to choose the right materials. So if you are understanding the properties and behavior of the materials, then only we can choose the right materials. And the next one is to design correctly. So here there are so many codal provisions are available for civil engineers, especially for material and the loading. Different code books are available. So if you are understanding this, then only we can design the structures very correctly. And also, if you are taking that the weather and environment condition, it is playing very vital role in construction. So we have to consider these things also. So depending upon the environment, the weather condition, the type of material and the type of design will be there. And also to find and to analyze the problem and to fix the problem in site, we should understand. And if you nowadays we are going for the smart material, that is a green materials. When we are understanding the material behavior, then we can go for the green materials. So what is the understanding of material behavior? So here you will study about the study of stress, strain, elasticity, plasticity, and under the different loading conditions, how the materials will deform. Okay, and here we have to understand the behavior, then only we can select the appropriate materials for the construction. So for an example, if you are taking the concrete is strong in compression and steel is strong in tension. So by doing the material testing only, we can understand that how this behavior is happening. So here, if you are designing these structures, if you are taking these structures, there are different elements are there. So mostly, if you are taking the RCC, we are using the steel and concrete. So therefore, the main material what we are using in RCC structure is steel and concrete. So here, for all element we are using these materials. So if you are understanding the behavior of the material under the different loading conditions, you can give the safe designs. And also we have to balance the strength with the economy, and also this building should be efficient. So if you are you can see this picture here, the engineer did consider the loading conditions, and he didn't understand the behavior of the material. So therefore the structure what they designed is not safe. And we have to analyze the loads for calculating the bending moment, shear force and also deflection. And also we have to ensure the stability of the building under the natural disasters like earthquake, flood and wind, so etc. should be considered. Okay, and also we have to give the safe and long lasting infrastructure. if you are taking this, the preventing the structural failure. So how you can prevent these types of failures? To understand the loading conditions and also to understand the behavior of the material under the different loading conditions and also the environmental conditions. So here if you are understanding these things, you can avoid such types of collapses. So here you can see this. So this is a bridge which is collapsed due to the underestimated loading conditions and also that engineer didn't understand the environmental conditions. So this is the reason for collapse of such types of collapse of the structure. So as an engineer, you should understand these concepts. Then only you can give the safe and durable structures. So thank you for listening this video. Thank you.